All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Grinch Bucks. Yeah, Grinch Bucks is one of these miners, these 6-in-1 miners. It's a program cryptocurrency project. They're claiming that this is going to be bigger than baked beans. That's why we're bringing you a video on this. We're going to go to their website. We're going to check everything out. I'm actually going to hydrate my money, and I'm actually going to buy some more Grinch, just so you can kind of Grinch Bucks, just so you can see it. There's a lot of hype going on with this. There's a lot of things going on, but the hype is not just the hype. There's over $1 million in it. I think there's like 1.6 million. We're going to check this out. Also, at the end, we're going to we're going to nitro the piston race. I'm going to do that. So this whole video is going to be about crypto projects, the Grinch Bucks. So it's going to be pretty good. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So on the channel, I talk about coins all the time. Starting to talk about crypto projects. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep them separate. We're not going to talk about any coins today. We're going to just talk about the Grinch Bucks and a little small sliver of the Piston token. So all right, let's head over to this miner that they're talking about. It's going to be bigger than baked beans. All right, over here, Grinch Bucks. So here we go. Grinch Bucks is a high-risk daily ROI DApp on BSC, earning 8% a day. So the contract balance, this has been out for 2 days. It's almost 2 million. Now the thing about it is baked beans. So there's 2 million in this. I'm over here at baked beans, and I want to show you. So there's almost 2 million in Grinch Bucks. Baked beans has been going for months and months and months. And how much is in baked beans? And they're saying that this is going to be bigger than baked beans. So there's 34,720 of BNB. I think BNB is like $415 right now. Let's check for sure. BNB is 420 right here. BNB 420. All right, let's go back. So 420 times 420, almost 2 million in the Grinch Bucks in 2 days, and there's 14 million in baked beans. Now they're saying that this is going to be bigger than baked beans, so a lot of times people feel they're late. You're not late on this one, everybody. That's why I'm actually putting a little bit of more money into this thing. Again, do all your own research. I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. But the key thing is this is kind of like what's going on right now. People are into this. It used to be node season. Now it's mining season, these 6-in-1s. All right, so again, contract balance. There's 14 million in baked beans, and there's almost 2 million in this contract. So I only put 0.3 of a BNB. So I just started off something small. So let's go ahead and compound this. Look at this. I'm making $6. I can claim the $6 or I can compound it. Let's just go ahead and compound it real quick. I'm gonna throw my $6 back in there, the 6-in-1. Now claiming, remember, 6-in-1. You actually compound for 6 days and you claim on one day. Most people are doing this on Sunday. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So now this $6 is gonna jump from my rewards over to the contract balance. This is the first time I'm doing this one. So let's see how it works. Contract stats. Oh, boom, it's already over. Really quick there. Contract stats, APR 2920. Daily earnings is 8%. It's got a dev fee of 3%. So, how to play? Deposit your BNB in exchange for hams. Your hams will go to work earning green eggs. Green eggs and hams. How you like that? You will earn 8% of your hams per day in the form of green eggs, shown under my rewards. Follow the 6, and this is what I was just talking about. For this, the baked beans is going to be around for a long time because everybody is like a cult-like following. They're all doing it together, like a team effort. All the people are 6 days compounding, and one day they're actually hydrating, or one day they're claiming. All right, so right here, follow the 6-in-1 protocol to extend the life of the platform. This means that compounding you're earning 6 days, followed by claiming on the 7th. What are the fees? Buying is a 3% dev fee. The referrals, I'll put my link on this. I do appreciate any referrals for sharing this. A percentage of the, so the 12% fee doesn't come out of yours. The 12% fee actually comes out of the 3%. So it's really like a 1% referral fee. But either way, the purchase of the amount of green eggs. Compounding referrals will receive 12.5% of the green eggs compound. Referrals amount is not deducted from your balance. Selling is a 3% dev fee. Disclaimer, warning, Grinch Bucks is a high-risk ROI dApp. As such, only invest what you can be willing to lose, as you may lose it all. Okay, so they're even putting this on the website. Now remember, there's how much in this thing? Almost 2 million, 1.9 million, and this launched 2 days ago. So, I mean, most of these don't jump up to 2 million in 2 days. There's 14 million in the actual baked beans. All right. In fact, real quick, let's jump over to baked beans, and I'll hydrate it real quick. So look at the baked beans right here. I got same thing. I got the 0.012. Let's go ahead and rebake it. This is how easy these things are. They're all the same pretty much. You basically compound it for 6 days. I know it's not Sunday, so everything's a compound. So I'm compounding it. And this 0.12 is going to go up to this 34,000 BNBs. But people are saying that literally this Grinch Bucks is going to be bigger than baked beans. There's still people putting money in the baked beans because the contract balance goes up every single day. Hit refresh, and shawam, that money went into the contract. All right, look at this. Look at their white paper here. I mean, it's pretty nice. Grinch Bucks, FAQs. What is the price of hams? Hams do not have a set price. Higher the TVL, the total value locked, more hams per BNB lower. TVL, less hams. This creates a level playing field so no users can be late. There is no calculator available to work this out. That's not bad. What will my daily percentage be? All right, everybody. These things are paying crazy money if you do it the right way, the 6-in-1. Daily percentage is 8% a day. This depends on eating habits, time of day you compound or deposits, TVL functionality. The average is 5 to 6% if you compound 6 and eat 1. So you can make anywhere from 5 to 6 to 8% of this. Even 5% is fantastic. Why are my rewards not growing? Eating habits affect your rewards. You can eat too much daily percentage and it drops. If you're only starting with a small deposit, it will take time on the D app. It only goes to 3 decimal places. TVL, daily increase, can cause lower daily percentage. So again, 6-in-1, everybody. If you want this project to be around for a long, long time and to basically be able to make your profit for a long, long time, do what everybody else is doing, 6-in-1. What happens if I always eat? This is not good. If you always eat, your daily percentage will drop dramatically and you will not receive the highest daily return. This is the anti-whale mechanism that helps so the TVL is not drained. Okay, they got whale mechanisms in this too. Is compounding more often better 2 to 3 times a day? Yes. You will need to pay standard BSC gas fees for every compound. But the thing is when you put it in, if you do once a day, that's fantastic. But 2 or 3 times a day, it's going to make your snowball bigger. So now all of a sudden your percentages can be bigger. What are hams? Hams are the miners that are hired by the BNB and work to get you the rewards. This is just a term we decided to use. Crypto OGs will know hams as BNB. So you basically, hams are, basically what's going to work for you. You got the GrinchBucks.com. Okay, can I get my initial back? Okay, so here how it is. Grinch Bucks Miner is locked reward pool. So no, you cannot get your initial back. You get your initial back over time through the rewards section of the D app. All you get back, everybody, is your rewards. So whatever you put in there, you basically get your rewards back. You don't, if you put $1,000 in there, you put $100 in there, whatever you put in, you can't get it back. But daily, you get your rewards. But remember, we only eat one time a week, which is on, well, most people are doing it on Sunday. How come my referrals aren't showing up? Where are they at? Your referrals show up in my rewards section of the Miner dApp. Rewards are 12% of the 3% dev fee. BNB deposits equal about 0.0036. What are the fees? So there are some fees. There is a 3% debt fee taken upon all deposits and withdrawals from the Grinch Buck Miners. Standard BSC network gas fees are required for every transaction made, deposit, withdrawals, and compound. Common issues when compounding is there's no gas fee. Look at that. Common issue when compounding, there is no gas fee. So when you're compounding, you don't get charged anything. Do hams amount decrease when you eat? No, the hams amount will not decrease. And right here, look, I got 66 hams before I put this little, this next deposit in here. So that 66 is always going to stay there, and it gets bigger and bigger. No, the ham amount will not change. If you make a new deposit or rebake, the amount will increase, but it will not, but not when you eat. Take rewards. The hams are less effective over time if you eat too much. What do you keep hearing, everybody? What's the theme? Don't eat too much, everybody. Is this sustainable? Yes, as long as there is TVL, total volume locked, in the contract, there will always be rewards. The hungry people who eat too much get punished and get lower and lower rewards. It will last a long time with higher TVL in there. So everybody, 6 and 1, what is the best strategy? You already know the answer to this. We recommend the tried and tested method as is written in the contract. Compound for 6 days and eat for 1. It will compound your investment and you will receive your initial back in 6 to 8 weeks. So they're basically saying it's going to take about 6 to 8 weeks to get your initial back. This thing runs for a year. This thing runs for 2 years. Now again, I mean, are crypto projects going to run for 10 years? Probably not. I don't know. Again, my information is for educational purposes only, but everything has a life cycle. But if you get your initial back right here on the white paper in 6 to 8 weeks, after 2 months, you're going to be feeling pretty good. What prevents the devs from rugging? The contract is immutable, therefore cannot be changed or altered in any way, shape, or form. It is audited and verified, and you can view this on the bscscan.com. An audit is found on the website. Okay, is it too late to invest? No, the contract is written to provide an optimal entry for any and all users, new or old. This is the reason that hams per BNB amount changes frequently with the TVL functionality to provide even a playing field for new users coming in to Grinch Bucks and not giving the first user a head start. Can contract functions be added? No. The contract is immutable and cannot be changed. The contract works perfectly well as it is. No wallet can be blacklisted. No forcing people to compound days and eats, days or weeks. Nothing can be changed. Does it have an anti-whale mechanism? The contract has an inbuilt anti-whale mechanism. This works as the following: users compound 6 to 1. Get the highest daily percentage in a 24-hour period. Users to dose 5 and 2 get allowed a lower percentage. Users that do a 4 and 3 get a lower percentage. This happens all the way until the user gets a 0.5%, not 1%, half of a percent per 24-hour period. This will prevent the users draining the TVL. What is the minimum deposit? 0.01 BNB. We're almost at the bottom here, everybody. What is the minimum compound? Same thing, 0.01 BNB. The minimum is that. You will always be charged a standard BSC BEP20 gas fee for the initial, for every interaction with the contract. How are the miners and the tokens connected? They are separated completely, except the fact that 5% of the buy/sell tax from the BCT token being deposited into the miners to add to the TVL. This wallet will be publicly accessible. Strategies deposits will be made to help the Grinch Bucks Miner TVL rise. Disclaimer: we do not guarantee 8% a day. It is up to 8% a day. Grinch Bucks Miner is illegal in certain countries. Please consider this when investing. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. And then there's a couple things here, a glossary and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put another little small deposit in here. All right, I'm going to put another 0.25 in this. 0.25. I'm going to buy some hams. Notice I got 66 of them right there. Click buy the hams. Boom, we're buying them right now. Baked beans has been around. This has only been around for 2 days. It's not too late to get involved. Now, do your own thing with your own money. This is what I'm doing. I'm documenting my journey, all that good stuff. All my information is for educational purposes only. So look at that. My 66 hams just went up to 102 hams. So now my 102 hams, look at that balance, almost 2 million. How many? There's 4,600 BNBs in this contract. That's fantastic, everybody. So I wanted to bring you this. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're going to go over to Piston token for a second. I just want to hit the Nitro so you can see it. Piston is a 1%, 365, like a drip network thing, just launched a few weeks ago. But these crypto projects, they're high risk, but they're also high reward. Only invest what you're willing to lose, and everybody says that. I was watching some YouTubers today, and there was a rug pull, and people lost their money. And again, the gentleman was saying, make sure, my friend Andy, a great YouTuber, I watch him all the time, was talking about, he says it all the time. He doesn't just say it to cover his butt. He says it because he really means it, that he only invests what you're willing to lose. So, I mean, I just put 0.25, it's $100. To me, my risk tolerance, I'm okay with $100. If Grinch Bucks is around in a year from now and every single Sunday I'm claiming my money, I mean, that's fantastic. If it's around in 3 years from now, that's fantastic. But only invest what you're willing to lose. That way, if something did happen, you're not surprised or whatever. So, all right. Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's head over to Piston Token real quick. All right, over here at the Piston token, I just wanted to show you this. This is, again, what does this say? This is earn 1% daily income until 365 of your investment is reached. This is a Piston Race. I'm not going to even go into this long. I'm just going to hit the Nitro here. This right here, this $2.43. How much do I got invested in this? Look, $579. Invest what you're willing. If I lost $579, I mean, I don't want to lose it, but I mean, you got to invest what you're willing to lose if something was to happen. But there's $579 in there. This 0.2 is going to go over here. We're going to click the Nitro. I love their little special effects once this thing gets injected. All right, usually takes 3 to 12 seconds. So it's going around and around and around, and here it comes. Where does it stop? Well, we're going to find out here in about 1 second here. So 1% for 3. Oh, look at that. Nitro injected. This is what I'm talking about right here, the engine going around and around. Your Nitro was successfully injected, and now your car can accelerate to bring you more rewards at a faster rate. Close it out, and the 0.2 went all the way over to here. So there you go. All right, everybody, Grinch Bucks. They're talking about, honestly, there's almost 2 million into this thing in 2 days. Baked beans has been around for months and months and months. There's 14 million. This is going, all the Drip Network followers, people that are in the Drip Network are jumping into the Grinch Bucks. So you got communities that are following. Bartertown, I mean, he's following this. There's all kinds of groups. There's all kinds of YouTubers that are literally loving this Grinch Bucks. I decided to bring it to my channel, to my viewers, just because of the simple fact, baked beans, remember it's like 34,000 BNB. I actually bought a BNB in that when there was 12,500. Me and one of my friends were talking, like, is it too late to get in? Is it too late to get in? There's 12,500. I threw a BNB in, and he threw a BNB in, and guess what? Now there's 3 times the amount of money into this thing. They're saying that the Grinch Bucks is going to become the biggest 6-in-1 miner, bigger than baked beans. Now again, that's what they're saying. Do all your own homework and stuff like that. But Frank's Crypto Corner, bringing you the Grinch Bucks, a little Nitro with the Piston. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click over here to see our most recent video. And then I'm going to connect a video about Drip Network and my Diamond Team V2. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day.